Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how you can change your Google Play Store's country. So I'm heading over to the Play Store. Once you are there, head over to the profile icon on the top right. Now go to settings. Now here go to general, and here you will find account and device preferences. Now here you will find country and profiles in here. So as you can see, you need to add a payment method from that country to complete the change. So once you make a change, changes can take up to 48 hours to take effect, and you may lose access to some content from your previous country. So yeah, this is how you can change your Google Play Store's country. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.